Hi, it's Justin with SoundCatcher here. I wanted to give you a quick video on how to assemble your SoundCatcher to the stand for the first time. It's one of the most common questions that I get. So here I've got my SoundCatcher. The very first step is going to be to take the ring off of the SoundCatcher. If you're trying to hold the catcher and you're trying to put it onto there and you're holding it by the ring, which is a common thing, the ring may come off, you're going to drop your SoundCatcher. So just take the ring off first. Now, first step is to set up the stand onto the floor. With the stand also comes some screw-on rubber feet. So most often I would say just to go ahead and put those feet on, unless for some reason you really don't want to. You've got carpet and you like the pointy feet that are on the stand by default. But then you're going to take the head out of the packaging and you'll find a metal handle. The metal handle just inserts in the only spot it can, which is underneath this thumb screw. What this handle does is this is going to prevent the SoundCatcher from rotating front to back. So we're going to just go ahead and tighten that down a bit. And then on the head is usually already attached a shoe or a foot. You just take the foot off. We don't need that anymore. And you'll see that this lever will stay out once you pop it out. There's a thumb screw here too. This one will let the SoundCatcher rotate side to side, which we just never want. So I just say to rotate, tighten that thumb screw, and then put this onto the stand. Okay, now we're ready. So this lever is out, and here's the SoundCatcher, and you'll see, of course, on the SoundCatcher is also a foot. It's just going to mate into here, and when it presses down on this button, that lever will start to catch. So pop the lever out, take the SoundCatcher, and you want to slide it in at an angle here, like this. And then when you press it down, the lever will start to go back. You just press it all the way back so it's locked in. Now, at this point, we have a few different ways to adjust the SoundCatcher. This handle, if you loosen it, it'll let us rotate this way. So go ahead and get that close to where you want. This screw, it's not quite intuitive, but this screw lets the SoundCatcher rotate side to side. You can tighten that or not as you see fit. And then this thumb screw, what I was saying why we wanted to have it tight is that if this thumb screw is loose, then the SoundCatcher can rotate side to side, which of course you don't want. So we just tighten that one down. And then finally, the last screw is here, it's on the stand itself. And there's an optional height adjustment here. I personally would rather adjust the height using the legs because this way, the taller you go, the more stable the bass is, right? The legs go a little bit wider. Whereas if you go the other way and you're adjusting height just with this, it just seems to get a little risky. The higher you go without adding width to the stand. So, but you can adjust this up a little bit if you've gotten a mixing board and the mixing board tray actually clamps onto here. So then after that, we attach the ring on. You'll see that there is a little notch on the ring that just goes over there. And that's it. I hope this has clarified how to set up your SoundCatcher for the first time. If after viewing this video you have any questions at all, you can call me, text me, or email me, and I'll help you out right away. Thanks again. Happy practicing.